Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. Thank you so much goes out to Tammy Powley at Peacecraft Dolls. You might know Tammy from the Virtual Blythe, I want to say it right. I always want to say convention, but it's Virtual Blythe Retreat, which is a Facebook, I hope they do it yearly. They've done two Blythe weekends where it's all kinds of stuff. It's crafting, and Tammy gives a pattern each year, and oh my goodness, look what she sent. And I do want to mention, before I forget and get too excited about this fabric, because you know I'm going to, because that's how I am. Tammy does that with her sister Terry at Tapping Flamingo. I also love Terry's channel. Terry makes jewelry and Blythe pulls. Hi, Marna. I scored a wonderful fabric haul at Goodwill recently. I am sharing the fabric. This is all pre-washed. Oh, thank you. Thought the black and white print might wove well for your goth Blythe. Ooh, cool. Oh, my tiny dolls. Oh, love it. This too. Oh, thank you, Tammy. Oh, I love that. I have some leggings that are jeans that kind of like that. Oh, you know I love the stars and stripes. Oh, that's really pretty. Thank you. And this one, oh, that is cool. Is that a seashell?
I don't know, it's giving me a headache looking at it.
Oh, it is not.
No, but it's very, very...
I like it. It's like seashells on the sand. If I'm missing something, Tammy, you can go ahead and laugh. Thank you so much. You know I will use all of this. I always appreciate it. Thank you for the cyber hug. Oh, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and I'm going to leave a link not only to Tammy's channel, but to Terry's channel, her sister. That way you can see more on the Virtual Blythe Retreat. Convention always comes to mind. Thank you.